This is question number 3 from the January 2016 Geometry Regents exam. Now, just to save some time, I've already labeled the given angles that we know in the diagram here, and as well as the angle that we're looking for, I've labeled red there. Now, the strategy we're going to use to try to solve this problem is knowing that, the angles in a half circle, a semicircle here, add up to 180. So if we're able to find out this black angle here, we could do 180 minus that to figure out the angle we're actually looking for. And we can find out that black angle by finding out the other two angles in this small triangle. Now, this angle here is actually pretty quick and easy to figure out that it is 35 degrees. And we know that because it's opposite the other 35-degree angle here. So now we need to think, okay, how can we figure out what this blue angle is here inside this triangle? Because once we know that, then we can find out that black angle. Now, because this is a parallelogram, we have two alternate interior angles. The blue one below and this blue one I just drew are going to be equal to each other. And we can actually figure out this blue angle pretty quickly because, let me just use the highlighter here. This triangle here, we know two of the three angles. So we can figure out the third one by taking 180 and subtracting the other two. So we'll do 180 minus 60 minus 83, which gets us 37 degrees. So because this upper blue angle is 37 degrees, we know that this little guy down here is also 37. And now we've gotten to the point where we can figure out this black angle. We are going to take 180 and subtract the other two angles in this small triangle. So we'll take away 35 and 37, and that gets us 108 degrees. Now we can get to our very last final step, finding out what this red angle is, and we're going to take 180 and subtract that black angle we just got of 108 to get an answer of 72 degrees. So it's a pretty involved question, but I hope that was helpful and made sense. And that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.